My name is Alan Koval, and I created Koval's 3D Grapher. I created this app over the past 9 months in my free time outside of school. 9 months ago, I was trying to plot some parametric 3D functions, but I didn't have access to Mathematica or MATLAB or some other professional mathematical tool. I also didn't want to download a huge application, so I resorted to finding online 3D graphers. The problem was the 3D graphers that I could find were either too rough, you couldn't rotate them, or they were low quality. None of them had the kind of user experience or quality that I had hoped for. So, I made my own. Koval's 3D Grapher is for all those people who, like me, just wanted to have an easy way to graph 3D functions of all types. While this may be a minority of people, I hope this app will make their life easier. So let's jump in. Koval's 3D Grapher is a web app built with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and jQuery in the Cloud9 online IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. It's about 5,000 lines of code in total, written over the last 9 months. To graph a function, pick your coordinate system at the top, Cartesian, cylindrical, or spherical, enter your equation, and press graph. It supports many functions of all types, common and esoteric. You can graph parametric functions in all coordinate systems. You can rotate your graph using the mouse, and zoom in and out by scrolling. You can control the precision of your graph using the points-wide input. You can also change the domain using the minimum and maximum inputs. You can plot individual points using the plot button. But what really sets Koval's 3D Grapher apart is correct rotation and asymptote and edge detection. Many of the graphers I found used Euclidean rotation. While it's straightforward, it falls short in a number of ways, especially with arbitrary rotation. My grapher uses quaternions, four-dimensional complex numbers, in order to perform correct non-Euclidean rotation in all states. It also interpolates between real and non-real points to detect edges. Using an interval arithmetic library, it detects infinite discontinuities in most cases and graphs accordingly. But perhaps the coolest feature is the animate button. You can introduce a set of new variables, sort of like Mathematica's manipulate function, and create an animation based on these variables. Unfortunately, you can't rotate the result, but it's very cool nonetheless. I learned so much during these last 9 months. I learned jQuery from the ground up, quaternions, interval arithmetic, more 3D geometry than you can shake a stick at, a bit of NPM and Node.js, and optimization techniques using HTML canvases. I hope you enjoy Koval's 3D Grapher. You can play it directly at alankoval.com/3dgrapher.